will I get to see you again in दिव्य प्रेम? एक बार रानी का डायलॉग हो जाए. स्वर्ण मोहिनी ने मैसेज किया, दीदी आपने दिव्या प्रेम शो क्यों छोड़ा? Hello, look who's back here. Welcome back to season 2 of Q&A with Megha Ray. I'm just gonna call it that. पहचानने में अगर थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हो रही हो तो हाय, दिस इज मेघा रे. कुछ दिन पहले मैं आपकी टीवी स्क्रीन पर दिव्या माथुर का रोल प्ले कर रही थी. बट हाय, लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी. ऐसा आपको मुझे कहना चाहिए, बट मैं आपको कह रही हूँ. अगर आपको मेरा ये लुक अच्छा नहीं लग रहा हो तो आई कांट हेल्प इट, आपको ये झेलना पड़ेगा. बट पिछली बार जब मैंने Q&A वीडियो बनाया था दैट वाज अराउंड 45 मिनट्स लॉन्ग. इस बार मैं कोशिश करूंगी टू ट्राई टू कीप इट विद इन 10 मिनट्स. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना स्ट्रेट अवे जंप इनटू योर क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ. Question 1 by Sarthak Verma. Hey Meghadi, Sarthak this side from Hyderabad. One thing I want to know is who has been your inspiration? Hi Sarthak. My inspiration has never been a single person. There has always been a lot of people who inspire me in different ways. The earliest one I can remember is Kalpana Chawla. I always wanted to be an astronaut, so it really amazed me to know that someone from India was high up there in the skies. Apart from that, I of course admire every single woman that I've met, not just the ones who are famous, but the ones I see on a daily basis, right from my mother to my female friends to everyone who has put their foot down when it was necessary to put their foot down, who knows their boundaries, who knows what it is that they want in their lives. Women that I work with, the women that I meet. Next. Hi Meghadi, missed reading your blogs, eagerly waiting for a new one. Need to know some of your experiences and new resolutions for this year. Oh yeah, vlog, right? Actually, I was even writing one. I did complete a decade of my blog because I started blogging in 2016. I was writing something and I don't know, it's halfway through. I was writing it on the anniversary, on that 1 decade completion day, because I got an alert on my calendar and I was like, my God, 10 years. Actually, thanks for this question because this reminds me to get back to it. And I will make sure I include this. Need to know some of your new experiences and new resolutions for this year. I do have a lot to share, so I guess I can use that. Thank you so much for your question, Lily. Lily underscore 28 LPM. Next. Hi Meghare, what's up? Hope you find my question is that will I get to see you again in Divya Prem? No, that won't happen. I pretty much have finished my part in the show. The journey is over. But thank you. Thank you for all the love that you all still keep giving Divya. Thank you for the edits, the comments, the admiration, the missing. I miss you guys too. Like I miss you guys in a strange way, right? I know whenever I'm acting in front of the camera that you guys are going to see it, and it's a very surreal feeling. It's a connection that is beyond the generic love, I would say. Hi, it's Deepika, and I want to ask you, when will you come back on screen with a new role? Please come back. We're missing you so much. I can't wait to come back on screen. So yeah, please keep praying for me. Please keep hoping that I find a good project because the projects do come my way. In fact, I want to ask y'all. I do come across a lot of vertical projects, and I genuinely don't know if I should do that because I know a lot of my actor friends do it. I have never imagined myself in that platform. I love everything that's in the cinematic ratio, but I don't know. You guys tell me whether I should do vertical just for experimentation because a lot of those are happening. But I usually like to wait out for a project that really means something to me, which is different from what I've done before. And oh, that's a whole separate discussion. I would love to hear your thoughts about it, about what's really working these days, what we all like watching. Why don't you all comment and let me know so that it helps me judge the scripts that come my way? I'm a little too judgy based on what comes my way. About your recent character Divya, what you learned from her and how was your experience? What type of character you want to play in future? When I began, it was very different from all the other characters that I've played in the sense that there was a lot of restraint in my character. There was a lot of self control, so much going on underneath her, and she didn't show as much. That was at least the core essence of the character when the story began. As we proceeded, however, it's a whole different game when it comes to daily soaps. We can't stay consistent. I mean, I do try my best to stay consistent with the character that was originally offered to me because I, I go crazy about character building and I love that process. Whenever I get asked about Divya for me is the Divya that you all see in the maybe initial 50 episodes. Um, Maybe beyond that, but when the leap happened suddenly, I obviously, it was not something that I expected, and that that was I had to transition into a mom Divya very quickly. So the amount of character work I had done while I was working on the initial Divya versus mom Divya was a little different, but then it had to be something that addresses to the daily soap formula. It had to be something that is more screen ready, that is more footage ready, because we don't get time to prepare for our scenes. We don't get time to even read our scenes, and we just have to go on there and just perform immediately. So that was a whole different approach. So I got to learn different things from both versions of Divya. Next question by Udit Shukla, my heart. What is your favorite food? Off late, I was under the weather. My stomach was not really all right. So, been a little more careful about what I eat and where I eat from. But I've always been the biggest fan of maa ke haath ka khana, which is mom made food, essentially. Rupali asked why you left Divya Prem. Um, Things aren't that simple, no. It's there's a lot that goes on behind making a TV show, and after every year, a contract gets renewed. So just things didn't fit in place. So there's no leaving. It is just that it's a business at the end of the day, and I guess some decisions were made accordingly. Next, Glow with Meghare. Hi, Dee, it's Shipra, my second ID. Okay. While others ask common things, I want to know your heart. Which book character guided you through tough times? Oh, wow, that is a beautiful question. I love such questions, honestly. Um, Shipra, I think there are many books that have touched me in very different ways. And sometimes some reading experiences are so surreal, I cannot explain it to you. Like, I somehow pick up a book when I actually needed it, but I didn't know that. Like, when I read that book, I realized I really needed to read this right now. So, I would tell you exact such moments that I remember. One is I was reading a book called The Bell Jar, and it's written by Sylvia Plath. Just reading her book made me feel like I have an elder sister that I can talk to because I'm an only child and I've never had a sibling, and I'm pretty much an introvert. And I have thoughts and ideas that most people can't relate to. So I've pretty much been my own companion for the most part of my life. If I go into the details of it, then this video is going to be very long. So there is Notes from the Underground by Fyodor Dostoevsky. That book, I won't say guided me, that book shed light upon certain sides of not just myself, but every human being that does exist. And I'm talking about the darker sides of human beings. This will be controversial, but The Alchemist, and I really mean it when I say that that book can really touch you if it finds you at the right time. If you come across The Alchemist at the wrong time, it's going to be one of the most waste of time books for you. But I would say that based on experience and based on exactly what I was going through at that point, it made so much sense to me that it clung onto my mind. And actually, my life changed a little bit after that. I can talk about this question forever. Maybe I can just make a video on this question and put it on my book club. What say, Shipra? Next, any new art or skill you learned in the last 1 year? One best memory with your fan? Do you believe in manifestation? I learned chess for the first time. I'm miserable at it, but I try, and I lose miserably, but I try again. And I lost so many times that I've taken a break from it. One best memory with your fan? I wouldn't say best memory, I would say recent memory. I was sitting with a friend at a chai shop, and somebody there, the person there who was actually making the tea and selling it, just smiled at me and I said, yes. She's like, आपको TV पे देखा है. I said, oh yeah, okay. And they told me that they really, really love watching my show. ZTV show, Apna Time Bhi Aayega. and they said that their whole family watched it together. And he was very happy to see me. That felt special. So yeah, that. Do you believe in manifestation? Your purpose in this world. Maybe it is hardwired in you. Maybe it's encoded in you. And as long as you're not aligned, you keep feeling you're off the path. You keep feeling there's something wrong. You keep feeling you have to rectify yourself. You keep feeling you have to somehow do something in order to feel aligned again. And that do something to feel aligned again is manifestation for me, because whatever you tell your mind, you start believing it and you start acting out accordingly, and that is manifesting. So if you keep telling your mind bad things over and over again, if you're complaining over and over again, it does matter what you tell yourself. It does matter what you believe, because you act out what you believe. And even if I say that I believe I'm the most beautiful person in the world, but I'm doing things that are unhealthy for my body and my skin and my mind, then I don't really believe that. Your actions actually show what you truly believe, what you truly think. हाय रे, मिस यू सो मच एंड लव यू। आपका अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट कब आ रहा है? हम सबकी एडिट्स कैसी लगती है आपको? मेरा नाम अंकिता है। हाय अंकिता, एंड दैट्स मेघा रे फैन पेज। Thank you so much. I love you guys too, and I love the edits. And I try to interact with all the edits that I come across because they're so beautiful and they make my day. It's very sweet of you all to keep continuing that even after the show is over or my work in a show is over. And upcoming project, I just hope I get something amazing super soon. You guys have to keep praying for me and make sure manifest that. Come on, let's do it together this time. Hi Megha, this is Sandhya 1711 underscore. How are you doing? My question is, what are the few books that you want to read but haven't got a chance and you don't have them in your collection? Oh, I've never read a Jane Austen. I have to. I want to read Edgar Allan Poe. That I haven't either. I want to read the entire Hitchhiker's set. I do have the first book as an audiobook, but I do want to buy the whole set and read the whole set. I want to read Contact. I want to read this. Oh, yeah. I want to read Mistborn. It's been suggested by a friend many times. There are many books. There's so many books, actually. It's my wish list on Amazon, an entire section of books. So, yeah. Next up, Meghare.fan. Megha.ray fan, sorry. Hi, Megha Di, आप कैसे हैं? Put new photos, videos. Thank you so much for sharing my reel on your story. Love you, Didi. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. New photos and videos. Oh, yeah. I'm guilty of that. I shall very soon. Megha.comfort. If you had a superpower, what would you want to do? I would want to have a brain that can access higher dimensions, that can solve all the mysteries of the universe, that can coexist across different time planes, that can interact with beings if they exist of higher dimensions. Am I essentially wishing to be a god? I don't know. Next is by Vanshika Singhal. एक बार रानी का डायलॉग हो जाए। अरे बाप रे, रानी का डायलॉग 6-7 साल हो गए यार। मतलब अभी क्योंकि मैंने आवाज बहुत अलग बनाई थी रानी के लिए, and I don't remember. Okay, let me try. रहा चौचक भौकाल पिलो. That didn't sound like Rani. I'm sure that didn't sound like her. Okay, next. Ever thought of doing movies instead of just TV dramas? And for your next project, are you aiming for a genre you haven't tried yet? I've of course thought of movies instead of just TV dramas. That was always the main goal. I'm craving to do action and sci-fi, and hopefully in a good movie. I don't think TV can do this. Next. How many new books you bought and read? What is your dream role, dream project? Do you like to participate in Khatro Ke Khiladi? Hi, Saili. How many new books? I cannot count. I have so many books. What's your dream role? Like I said, I would like to do a nice action-based science fiction. Do you like to participate in Khatro Ke? Yeah, it's something maybe I can try. I'm not a fan of reality shows, to be honest. But something like a Khatro Ke Khiladi or any action based show, or maybe a dance based show. I love dancing more than that. So yeah, maybe, who knows. Fans underscore Suraj underscore. Hello, I missed you. I wish you success and good fortune always. You deserve, and my love so much from Rafifi. Thank you, Rafifi. That's a really sweet message. That is not a question, but I love it. So thank you. And MLA today. Hello, Megha. My question is that what made you choose fictional character like a Swarn Mohini, Super Auntie? Super Auntie was never in the picture when I picked the character, but Swarn Mohini really attracted me in terms of being something new in the Indian fantasy genre. I was really tired of listening to Nagin stories and Dains and Pishachinis. So when I heard about Mohinis and especially their affinity to Mahakal, that bond that a Mohini had with Mahakal was very special to me. And I think that was also the true essence of the show. That was what made Divya Prem Divya Prem. सेम क्वेश्चंस आप दिव्य प्रेम से क्यों चले गए, फिर से आ जाइए. दिव्य प्रेम बंद कर दूंगी. प्लीज मेघा दी लौट आइए सीरियल पे, आपके बिना मजा नहीं आ रहा. टेक लव फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश. दिस इज माफी. साची स्टारलाइट. I love you guys. Thank you for all the love. Unfortunately, मेरा सफर खत्म हो चुका है. Unfortunately or fortunately, there's no comment on that to be honest. But the truth is कि मेरी कहानी खत्म हो चुकी है. पर क्या पता बहुत जल्द कुछ नया और कुछ अच्छा मिले और आप लोग मुझे और एंजॉय करें देखना. Hi, I'm from Vietnam. We absolutely love अपना टाइम भी आएगा. How do you feel knowing the show is so loved by Vietnamese fans? I would say this is beyond magic for me to know that the show has traveled across the world. It's a gift that keeps giving, I think. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for reaching out and sharing your love. I'm always grateful for this project. It has given me so much. Rani, as a character, is kind of always going to have that very special place in my heart because the character taught me happiness. And a free character like that I've never got to play again. So yeah, Apna Time Bhi Aayega is a very special show. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. दीदी आपने दिव्या प्रेम शो क्यों छोड़ा? अच्छा, अब आपका मैं कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकती हूँ उत्तर, क्योंकि मैंने दे दिया है बहुत बार. थैंक यू. आई मीन दिस सिंपली मीन्स दैट आप लोग शायद मुझे याद करते हैं और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये जान के. थैंक यू सो मच. डिम्पल कुमावत ऑफिशियल. ओके, फ्लाइंग किसेस. अंकिता 1402. हाय, हाउ आर यू? मिस यू सो मच. लव यू. आपका अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट कब आ रहा है? हेयर एंड स्किन केयर रूटीन प्लीज. कम ऑन, कम बैक सून. कम ऑन नीता, कम बैक सून. I myself want to come back soon. And hair and skincare routine surprisingly negligible है, but I will share someday, maybe in a different video. पर सच कहूँ तो आप जो कंज्यूम करते हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. आपकी नींद, आपका पानी, आपका खाना, और बाकी चीज़ें तो मैं honestly speaking does make a difference, like speaking with experience. Your mind is also very important. So yes, your sleep, your mental health and your physical health, and everything will be perfect. हेलो दी, कैसे हो? स्वर्ण मोहिनी. स्वर्ण मोहिनी ने मैसेज किया है. मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो? नो वन आस्क्ड यू. व्हेन आर यू reuniting with Chalang team? अरे, I really hope this happens someday soon. That was a wonderful bunch. That was a wonderful bunch. Absolutely crazy bunch. And great people that I got to work with. I hope we reunite soon. Shu underscore 555. How are you? Please come back soon. Love you. Miss you so much. Oh, love you too. I'll come back soon. It's underscore Samiksha underscore 536959. मैम आप वापस कब आ रही हैं? आपके बिना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है सीरियल. सीरियल में तो नहीं वापस आ रही हूँ, किसी और सीरियल में आ जाऊंगी, या मूवी में आ जाऊंगी, या वेब सीरीज में आ जाऊंगी. क्या पता, हमें भी नहीं पता कहाँ वापस आएंगे. Singh underscore Tanya 05. Hey, when will we be able to see your short film masterpiece and the trip on OTT? Also, there's no teaser released from the trip. I have done my services as an actor, and the rest is on the makers. Whenever they decide to do, they'll do it. Absolutely clueless about that. Underscore 23 Uddhav. Which will be your next project? Don't know. Hopefully, a great one. You put photos of yours with two cats on story. One we know. Who's the second? I don't know which story you're talking about, but well, my OG cat is happy. We have a full time cat, which is happy, and we have part time cats who are essentially more than part time. One is Zorro. She's a female orange tabby, and she has two kids who are very grown up now. One is Leo and one is Messi. Leo is the one who looks just like his mother. It's a brown tabby, and Messi is the one who is white with brown patches on it. मेगा अंडरस्कोर एक्स अंडरस्कोर धानी दी आपका नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट कब तक आएगा आपका ड्रीम क्या है सारे फैंस का नाम एक बार लो और मेरा नाम सबिया है मिस यू एंड लव यू ओह सो क्यूट अब मैं सारे फैंस का नाम मुझे नाम याद है बहुत जन के लेकिन अगर कोई गलती से छूट गया तो उन्हें बुरा लगेगा तो इसीलिए मैं नाम सबका नहीं लेना चाहती बट आई डू रिमेंबर अ लॉट ऑफ नेम्स आई जस्ट होप दैट बोलते बोलते कोई मिस आउट ना हो जाए so, Sabia, for you, because this is your question. Love you too, and I hope to entertain you very soon, so don't miss me too much. I think that's it. We have covered all the questions. आप लोग मेरी शक्ल एक बार बिना चश्मे के भी देख सकते हैं. I hope I have answered all your questions. I think I did cover all the questions. And मेरी जो 10 मिनट वाली ख्वाहिश थी वो पूरी नहीं होगी. This has crossed 10 minutes for sure. But I will try to trim it on edit. And thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for the edits. Thank you so much for those of you who love me so selflessly, whether I'm active or not. It always means the world to me. Just kind of enjoying this. Okay, thank you. I think I'll go out and have a nice rain drive with my parents. At least that's the plan. If none of us are lazy, we'll go do it. So thank you so much. And until next time. If there's anything else, please ask me in the comments. I'll get back. Okay, bye.